Gerard Passola. I'm going to be present in the conference that will be done in the end of August in Czech Republic. I'm going to speak about anchoring systems and my vision about ordinary installations, about dynamics and statics, how we analyze the tree and how we try to use the right material and the right positions in the tree to get the maximum efficiency. Also, I'm going to speak about different cases that we have been working in the last 25 years and anchoring for special trees. Some systems we have developed to avoid the uprooting of the trees. See you on the end of August in Czech Republic. See you. Bye-bye.